sigurong mas kinababaliwan sa pambansang libangan ng bayan. Siksik ang mga larong ating nasaksihan. Game na game pa rin bawat laban. Handa na ba tayo? Balik ang puwersa. Handa na ba tayo? Umarangkada. Oh, game tayo dito. Game tayo dito. Buhos ang puso sa laban. Sugod mas pangmalakasan. Game! Game! Game tayo dito. Game! Game! Game tayo dito. Wala na nga sigurong mas kinasasabikan. Pagbabalik ng liga ng bayan. Sa dami ng daluyong at hirap na natikman. Game na game pa rin partida pangayan. Handa na ba tayo? Balik ang puwersa. Handa na ba tayo? Umarangkada. Oh, game tayo dito. Game tayo dito. Buhos ang puso sa laban. Sugod mas pangmalakasan.
An honor to welcome you all for the 5th season of the Filipino Basketball League here in Reshibato. It fills my heart with pride to see how far we've come. What started as a simple way of bringing our community together through the love of basketball has now grown into a strong tradition. Season 5 of teamwork, sportsmanship, and unity among our kababayans. This league is more than just a competition. It's a celebration of our culture, passion, and our bayanihan spirit. It's also about building friendships, fostering healthy lifestyle, and giving the next generation of Filipino Canadians something to be proud of. To all the players, thank you for your commitment, your discipline, and the heart you bring to every game. To the coaches and the team managers, thank you for guiding and inspiring your teams. And to our sponsors and supporters, your generosity and belief in our vision make this all possible. And of course, to the families and fans, your cheers and presence bring life to this league. So let's make this season one to remember. Play with integrity, respect your opponents, and always remember, win or lost, we are one community.
Basketball. I was a member of 2012, since it started there. 2012, Innovia, OMG. Kami nagsimula, yung dalawa talaga ang nagsimula. Doon namin, with guidance of Miss Betty. Tapos 2012.
Sipo lahat kabado, walang makakapigil. Dalgundong nadala habang nakatigil ang mundong nabalarang. Kada na tumira bumitaw, isagad na sama-sama umari pa isigaw. Biglang baba, biglang tira. Isang bansa, isang liga, mga tagahangay ganadong ganado. Bawat atleta'y kamadong-kamado. Game sa tiwala, suporta sa laban. Sige na game na ang sambayanan. Handa na ba tayo? Balik ang